So starting the test drive in this Genesis G70, really like the 2.5 turbos in pretty much all the Genesis lineup. They're just, I mean, 300 horsepower, 311 pound-feet of torque is a lot. And these are just tuned impeccably. Very quick, very fun to drive, especially where this turbocharger is concerned. But with these also having the numerous drive modes, depending on what you're trying to do, it's nice to have the differentiation between eco mode, comfort mode. You can set up your own custom mode, and then having the sport mode, of course. But what I like about the custom mode is, let's say you like to have stiff steering response, but you don't necessarily like to get the full output of the car. You can adjust that for yourself. But I mean, it's just, regardless of what drive mode you're in, these are just fantastic to drive, in my opinion. Yeah, it's just so quick, so much fun to drive this thing. And the paddle shifters, it just really gives you the full effect, in sport mode especially, of driving something that's this quick. Very fun. So I'm gonna give it a pull getting on the interstate here. And it's just so agile. It's so much fun to drive. It's just a really good driving experience for, again, a 2.5 liter turbo 4. This isn't even the 3.3 that you can get and still having a great time driving this car. But you can hold the plus paddle to get it back into the regular drive, or regular automatic mode, excuse me. And then I'm just gonna test out the adaptive cruise here. And then you have lane centering and all of that. So in eco mode, pretty good ride quality coming down the interstate here. Really just like how everything goes together. But I think this is a really good, and Genesis did this on purpose. They make really good options to go against the luxury brands. And I'm talking the German luxury brands, so Audi, Mercedes, BMW. They just make very, very good competitors, especially for the money. But honestly, a lot of the times these feel more luxurious than their counterparts. But for $48,000, something that's this fun to drive, this practical, just this nice and luxurious, definitely a fantastic option. And this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2024 Genesis G70.